Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nestin Padasalai. So today I'm going to share you another notebook which helped me to clear GATE exam, CSIR exam and DBT BET examination. So this notebook I had utilized for taking developmental biology notebook. So this will be helpful for you friends because it will add up a motivation among you so that you will also take a notes, because many students who failed in CSIR or another examination is that you failed to take your notes properly. So showing my notebook will give you an idea of how you can take your notes wisely so that it will help you to prepare your examinations also. So with no particular delay, let's get into the video. So as I had taken this particular note for my CSIR developmental biology unit, okay, so I will write the unit name, that is unit number 5 and developmental biology, and I'll also write the syllabus friends with a neat color pens. I'll write the heading in black pen and rest of the topics arranged in a blue pen. So for developmental biology concepts to be covered, then I write an all. In units also we have few subtopic. By having syllabus in a hand, I will write all the important topics. Okay, so this is how I'll write. These stigmas are saying like I had completed them, like that I'll write. Okay, so this thing. So here I will write in which particular book and what is a page number, so that it will be for the entire unit I can refer only this particular, it most probably 20 pages I will read. Okay, next thing, these things are from, if I refer some Google out how to study for unit 5 for CSIR exam, I can get some key point from my internet. So I am writing that particular one. Go for Gilbert for animal developmental biology, especially try out the latest edition. Or developmental biology questions of NEET are almost exclusively set from this book. Several diagrams are taken directly from the book and several questions are asked in the exam. So I would suggest you to get acquainted with the book. For plant developmental biology, follow the book of Tyson Zeiger. It is more sufficient. So by writing this, whenever you take your notebook, definitely it will give you an interest, because developmental biology I utilized Gilbert book only friends. So whenever I open this book, it will add up internal motivation on me so that I can keep myself motivated. Okay, so let's get into the video. So this is how I'll write. These color thing I won't shade them initially. At the last revision I will shade them with this highlighter pen. So first I'm writing basic concept in development, everything, what is mean by potency of stem cells, what are the compaction event, and I'll write the diagrams by having an attractive colors friends, so that even though you don't have time to read, these diagrams will definitely help you. So these are the things, very important thing, because many questions will be asked from this particular. So I'm writing like this with a neat diagram. So what are multipotent stem cells and what is an example of it? What are unipotent stem cells and what is an example? And what are these trans amplifying cells? Like that I will write. Next concept. So these, if I write them like this means I will have a keyword, and if I found the point, extra point means I will write them with a different color. Okay, so next speciation. So I will use these particular terms. It is a Tamil word, because if I can't able to memorize them, I'll write with the keyword. So I'm giving this keyword. You can give whatever keyword which you found it. Okay, so based on this concept I will use this keyword. So if I memorize this particular thing, then I'll give a story of everything. So if I found new words, then I'll see the definition, I'll see the vocabulary from the textbook, and I'll write like them. If there is any example, I'll write that also. So just give a look what are the things, how I had taken note for this developmental biology unit. So these are the things. So this is how I'll write. Autonomous specification means another covert, conditional specification means another covert. So these are the different type of speciation and the example. And these are the fate map, because one time in CSIR they asked the fate map of different organisms. So first I'll revise the question paper, and I'll write down the important topics, and I'll prepare the topics, prepare that particular topic alone more. I'll give more concentration for the topic. So these are the fate map diagrams and fertilization. So I'll draw the diagram and I'll roughly only, friends. Based on my knowledge, I will draw. So I'll use a red color pen, black, sky blue and all. So it will give you, it won't keep yourself bored, because whenever we read textbook, it will make ourselves bored, because so that we'll transfer we don't study that much from the textbook. So in order to create interest, I am writing the notes from the textbook. Okay. So this is how I had taken notes, external fertilization. And these things are, if I revise the question paper and I'll write how the question has been asked, and I'll write the keyword asked from the question, so that in a future revision maybe the repeated questions might be asked. So this is acrosome reaction, the diagram. So these are the type of fertilization, how to prevent polyspermy. So this is how I'll write them, the sketch and all. So then cleavage. So it will be colored thing. So this one I had shared very much in my PowerPoint presentations and all. So this is a highly important thing. If you didn't watch the video, please watch. We discuss them. So these are the things from which particular layer, which are the things are being emerging. Everything is from Gilbert only, friends. Sometimes I do refer internet and I get help from YouTube videos. So I'll write that also. So this is my diagram. So cell to cell commitment, what is mean by this, and heron. Okay. Next, cell migration. What are the different type of interactions, and this family and the pathway and all I'll write. I don't write para, I'll write them with the flow chart, so that it will be helpful for you to give a glance of what we written. Okay. So this is how I'll have the pathway and all, because sometimes they had asked the flow of this pathway. So that's why I had written them in my notebook. Next are the notes, same notes. So yeah, these are the thing extra points, and this is how a C. elegans notes. Then I'll write what are the things given asked in the C. elegans, next Drosophila. So these are the extra points I will write. So your notebook should be somewhat clear. Only then you can able to revise them whenever you take that particular thing. And this tabular column and all I'll write them. This is how my diagram looks like, because these things are really very tough to study. So by having written them in your own choice will definitely make your thing easy for you to revise and also to think. So these are somewhat difficult topics. I made them more easy based on my knowledge. So this is another. So embryogenesis in plant and all I'll refer twice. That's why I have written them clean. So I can keep this notebook for plant physiology also now. ABC model of flower. So sex determination and all I will write along with the example, along with the diagram. So this is how my note generally looks like. These are the cell differentiation dictostylum. These one I refer from internet, so I am written like this. So this is how my notes and all will like that. If I found some point important, I will add a box to them. And the tetrapod limb development. So only you put the hard work, at least by writing, even though you can't study, at least try to write just like write them 2 or 3 times from the book, then definitely you will add a think these are eyelid induction. So these questions will be asked. So we'll see everything in our YouTube video. Keep yourself subscribed to my channel so that I can keep posting you many links. So these are the other type of revisions, friend. So these are second revision. So I don't use pens and all because I'll be running out of time of the examination. So I'll just take out key points. Okay, so these are the I referred internet, so I had written like this. These are the last minute revisions we had done. Morphogens. So you can't find no colors over here because I will be running out of time. So these things I referred internet, and these are from this Gilbert book. So last minute to keep myself mind, I don't go for studying, I just write. So we go in our school days and all, your teacher said you need to say like practice writing so that you will keep yourself motivated. And this thing, so that's it for developmental biology note. So this is how for few important topics I will take the note and I'll again revise my note and I'll write them without seeing the notebook. These things will keep yourself updated and you won't forget them. Even though in CSIR questions are highly difficult, these colors will keep yourself to be remind. So that's it for today's video, friends. Definitely I'll share another notebooks which I helped me to clear CSIR examination the upcoming video, friends. So if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click the subscription button.